You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to set any song as your alarm sound on a Samsung phone. Open the clock app and tap on the alarm tab. Tap on an existing alarm to edit it, or tap the plus sign to create a new one. On the alarm settings screen, tap on Sound or Alarm Sound. You will see a list of default sounds at the top. Tap on Add New or the plus icon. This opens your file browser. Navigate to where your music is stored, typically in the music folder or within a folder for your music app like Spotify. If the song is downloaded, find the MP3 file. Tap on the song file to select it. The song will now be added to your alarm sound list. You can trim the song by tapping the scissors icon to select a specific part. Tap Save or Done. Now, when the alarm goes off, your chosen song will play. If you use a streaming service like Spotify, you may need to download the song locally first, as most streaming apps don't allow direct use for alarms due to licensing. You can also use apps like MP3 Alarm Clock for more flexibility. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.